Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the LG 24GS50F-B 24-inch FHD gaming monitor, a compact display built for smooth and responsive gameplay. This monitor features a full HD 1920x1080 resolution paired with a fast 180 Hz refresh rate, giving you fluid motion and sharp clarity during fast-paced matches. With a 1 millisecond response time, movements stay crisp, helping you react quickly in competitive shooters and action-heavy games. AMD FreeSync support works to reduce screen tearing and stutter, keeping gameplay consistent and immersive. HDR10 support enhances contrast and color depth, making bright scenes pop, while darker areas retain better detail. LG's black stabilizer also improves visibility in shadowy areas, giving you an edge when spotting opponents. The slim, virtually borderless design keeps your setup looking clean, and the tilt-adjustable stand helps you find a comfortable viewing angle. It also includes HDMI and DisplayPort connections for easy compatibility with PCs and consoles. The matte screen finish helps reduce glare, though it may slightly soften brightness compared to glossy panels. Overall, this is a strong option for gamers who want high refresh performance in a compact, affordable package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.